Chandler Alexis, and welcome back to my channel. But for today I'm going to be doing 2 buns with the hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So stay tuned for that. That's why you gotta use Dsoar hair to make it look like it's healthy. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Well, I kind of already started jumping into it because I'm doing my hair right now. Before I start talking about the tea, I'm going to do my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it using the Dsoar hair bundles. So first I'm going to part my hair. Okay, so I parted my hair. I don't even know if that's straight or not, but whatever. I really don't care. I hate messing with my hair when it's tangled. I'm going to start spraying some water in it just to make it easier to deal with. Okay. And now I'm going to start slicking it into buns. So I'm using this Morocco Day Gorilla Gel. You guys should definitely shop from Dsoar Hair if you're looking for some bundles. They have different styles, different textures, different colors for you to pick from. The price range is affordable and the hair quality is amazing as well. So I will definitely leave a link down below for you guys to click on to purchase hair yourself if you're interested. Okay, so now as you can see, my hair is in 2 buns. They're not as even as I would like to be, but that's alright because you're going to fix it up with a bundle. How pretty! So this is what it looks like, and then when you spread it apart, that's what it looks like. It's more like a natural curl to it. Okay, so the bundle comes really long. I don't even know if you guys can see this because it's kind of all tangled up now that I did this, but basically the bundle is like the size of like my arms. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm gonna cut about this much right here. It looks like this. Now you're just going to want to do this one more time for another piece. Now I'm going to take the hair and start wrapping it around your bun. Simple, easy. So first I'm wrapping the outside, like the long line part of it around my hair. And then I'm going to start wrapping the hair around it. So as you can see, the more of the bundle that you wrap around the bun, the bigger your bun gets and the cuter it will look. Alright you guys, so this is how my buns turned out. I really love it. They're cute. But now to finish off the look, I'm just going to do my edges and, you know, secure the flyaways. So for that, I'm using my Design Control Gel from Pink and this little toothbrush. And I'm just going to start brushing. If you guys want the tutorial for how I do my edges, I'll leave it in the link down below. Alright, so I have finished my hair, my edges, my buns. It looks so cute. I love the way it came out. If you guys also like the way that my hair looks, or you like when I do my extensions or whatever, just know that you can purchase the same hair that I purchased by using the link in the description. Check out Dsoar Hair. But yeah, that's it for the hair tutorial. Thank you so much to Dsoar Hair for sponsoring this video.